Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel y'all, Chest and Yakshimash. And look what I have here. I have a matching chihuahua that matches my hair perfectly. So we are still here with Jordan. Hello Jordan.
Hi.
Jordan is there on the sidelines. We are using his phone. We are using his cordless microphone. How posh is that? Hooverlux has just gone up a few notches. It's just on a borrow, don't you worry. And we also are here with Elizabeth. Hello. I borrowed the dog as well. Everybody would prefer to rather see the dog than would actually see my videos. So this is clickbait. This is Chihuahua clickbait, aren't you? You're only here for the views. Yes, you are. But you are adorable. Yes, you are. Right, I'm going to pop her down because I can't stop holding her. There we go. So, what have I got for you today? Oh, exciting news. So, yesterday I had a text message because my network that I'm with is 3. And 3 sent me a text message saying that, oh, your contract finishes in June and you are ready for an upgrade if you wish. Now, the phone I had, which was the
iPhone 7 Plus.
Is the 7 Plus. So all my videos for the past couple of years have all been done and edited and uploaded using my iPhone 7 Plus. But I thought it was time for a bit of an upgrade. So I have gone for the 10s Max.
10F Max, 256.
256 gigabytes of memory, which will be very good for me because I do a lot of videos and they're in higher definition, so I'll be able to store more on the phone. And as you know, sometimes I sort of like start a video and then I go back to it then maybe a month later if I'm waiting for a part or something. So it'll be really good so I can store more on the phone and sort of like, anyway, that's the backstory. So it has arrived today and it's in rose gold. So what I am going to do for the unboxing, because I'm so excited, because this is what is going to be all my future videos made on. So this is important to me because this is my YouTube camera and editing and everything. Everything is on this phone will be done for you guys to see. So I'm hoping that the quality of some of the pictures, even though I've had no real issues with the 7 Plus at all, it's about time to upgrade, I think, for a new phone. And it's in rose gold. I like gold. Anyway, so I know that's very lottery winner. I do like gold. Anyway, so let's get you guys a little bit closer and let's unbox this and let's get it set up. Okay, so I have got you guys above me. I have got my old phone here, so I'm going to take it out of its protective case because I have to have it in a very protective case because I do not want to drop it. Could you grab me 2 cloths? S'il vous plaît. That'll be fine. So I'm just going to give this a bit of a wipe. No comments, please. So this is my piano black, jet black even, iPhone 7 Plus in pristine condition, apart from a couple of marks on there, which I will rub out before I sell it. So this is going to be sold. And like I said, I've had no issues with it. I love it. So let's get into the packaging. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god. So here we have the replacement SIM, pay as you go, blah blah blah. That's my receipt, and here we have it. Here we have the iPhone. 256 gigabytes. Wow. That is amazing. Now I always keep, now this is my OCD, I always keep all the original packaging and everything because now when I go to sell this, I can wrap this up as if it's brand new in the box because I keep everything. Let's open the lid. Designed by Apple in California. And here it is. Oh wow. Let's have a compare of the size. Identical.
Identical.
slightly heavier. This one is slightly heavier because this has got the glass back, isn't it?
Glass back and front.
And front, whereas
And the
these didn't
metal's
have the
also
glass.
harder. It's also made out of stainless steel, not aluminum.
So it is, yeah, it feels, if I hold it like this, it's pretty much the same size, but it is possibly slightly a little bit thicker.
But the screen is a lot larger.
Yes, but the screen is a lot larger. Okay, so we have the phone that comes in the box. What else do we have? We have the bog standard headphones with the lightning with the volume control. Here we have the adapter, charger and cable. Where's the wireless? Doesn't come with it.
Don't come with the adapter from the 10S anymore. They stopped including the adapter. It's an additional £9 for the adapter to use it with a headphone jack.
Ah, so you don't even get that anymore.
No, Apple wanted to save £9.
That is ridiculous. I was expecting the wireless charger to come with it.
You don't get Apple don't do wireless charging.
Oh, don't they?
They were planning to do air power and they had heating issues, so they didn't do it. They only make a Belquin do some that they sell at the Apple store. But they don't include a fast charger. They don't include lightning to headphone jack adapter anymore.
Yeah.
And there's no wireless charging included in the box.
Well, that is disgusting.
You can't even fast charge with the adapter that comes with it. If you want to fast charge your iPhone,
Yeah.
Apple want you to spend £60 on a new adapter.
Huh, forget that, girl. Right, okay, so beside the disappointment, I still have another cable, which is good because I do use a lot of the cable. So the cable is something I definitely will be using, so I shall take it out.
Are you planning to put a screen protection on your phone?
The case that I've ordered with it comes with one.
Don't take the screen protector off the phone until you get a new one then.
What, this one?
Yeah, and you don't have to clean it.
Oh, sodder. Wrapping's off, bid. Look at that, wrapping's off. So the camera is now at a different angle, and it does protrude a bit more, but that looks pretty much the same. I do like this. I do like the color of the rose gold on the back because it's like it's almost like a mother of pearl look to it. Really nice.
Wallpaper of your old phone, you can actually see what's in the new phone.
Ah, yes, that's right. Yes, so there we go. I've got a screensaver there from Jordan. That's actually as if the glass wasn't on there, as if what it would look like. Right, what else differences can I see? That looks the same. That button there is bigger. That is where the SIM card goes. The underneath of it, that looks pretty much the same.
They've removed one, there's not an even number of holes on each side.
Oh yeah, I never even noticed that.
A common problem with the 10S Max is when you're holding it on the phone, you put your finger over the speaker.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Right, so what does it say here? This is my replacement SIM card. Well, I was thinking exactly that. Do I really need a new SIM card? Because it's going to be the same number and everything.
I'll just use your old one.
I'll tell you what I will do. I will use it for now, simply because I can still use that. Until, no, well, I don't know. I'll leave that there. Where is the...
It's in the paperwork. You're welcome to...
Oh, you get stickers, information, and you also get the little thing to pop it open. So there we go. So let me pop open for the SIM card. Let me pop my SIM card. Try to pop my SIM card into it. Oh, I'll tell you why I got it upside down. Duh! Okay. Oh, God, these are so small now.
Apple are hoping to remove the SIM card next year.
What a surprise. Okay, so we got the SIM card in. Let's switch the beastie on. So what I did on my Mac, I did a backup to the Mac on it.
You did an encrypted backup.
An encrypted backup, that was it.
You use iCloud to back up your iPhone, and you restore, all your passwords aren't synced, so you have to go in and manually type them in every app. Like me with 200 apps on their phone, that's quite laborious.
Okay, so first of all we go and pick the language, which is English. United Kingdom, set in the language. So select your country or region. There's still plenty of charge on it for the moment. Quick start or set up manually.
Go for... It doesn't really matter, because we're going to redo it on the computer anyway.
So manually.
Guessing so.
Ah, right, okay, then it's going to come up with all my...
Which is the other up? How do you do quick start? Turn your phone on.
Okay, so set up new phone. So it's got on there. So it comes up with the new phone. So I'm going to press continue. It's going to connect to it. I have to put this over that. So keep this phone.
You don't need to do this step because you're going to do it on the computer anyway.
Yes.
This will copy everything over.
I'm
so
just going to put in the...
I'd cancel it. Because this will copy your phone over already. But you're going to do it off your Mac.
Ah, okay. So
just turn it off. Get the Mac.
Right, okay. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my Mac in the kitchen and get it backed up. If you want to look at a professional video on how it's done, please do. There are millions of videos. As you know, this is not a professional channel and I am not a professional person. So I'm going to do this off screen. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, so there we go. It has taken roughly an hour. Just gonna look my face up and then swipe up, and there we go, we are in. So this now is all set up. That's all I need to do because I don't have service at the moment because I need to sort out the SIM. So what I'm going to do is take the SIM out of the old phone and put it in here, and then we will be done and dusted. So that wasn't too bad. Unfortunately, I couldn't get it to do the transfer from the encrypted backup. So I just had to do it normally and then just sort of like, yeah. But it did, there was only 1 or 2 apps that hasn't transferred over the passwords and stuff, but the rest has. So anyway, it doesn't make much difference anyway. I can just, as I use them, if there's anything I need to do in, then I'll add it in. So the only thing I'm waiting for now is the case. I need to get the case for it, which is on its way. So that will be arriving some point today. So this video is absolutely not in any way or form a how-to video. It's just basically to share with you guys that I got a new phone and I am really happy, very, very happy with the quality of it. And so from future videos, which will be after this one, I will be using the new phone and I literally cannot wait. I am so excited. So I'm just going to pop this over roughly and then sort that out and save it like the other one did. Okay, so there we go. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye y'all.